Hello, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're already part of this community, welcome back. Truly appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you love getting inspired by modern interior design ideas, home makeovers, and creative ways to style your spaces, then you're in the right place. Before we jump into today's video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest trends and tips we share every week. Now, let's dive into today's topic: a minimalist kitchen makeover, smart, functional, and stylish in 2025. If you've been dreaming of a kitchen that feels calm, clean, and effortless, but still shows your personal style, this video is for you. The kitchen is often called the heart of the home. It's where we cook, gather, and create memories. But it can also become one of the most cluttered and stressful spaces if we're not careful. That's why in 2025, the trend of minimalist kitchens is stronger than ever, blending smart functionality with sleek, stylish design. Today, I'll show you how to style your minimalist kitchen by focusing on 3 key ideas: adding decor elements without overwhelming the space, creating a clean and clutter-free environment, staying true to your own personal style. Minimalism doesn't mean your kitchen has to look empty or boring. The key is to choose simple, intentional pieces that add character without adding clutter. A touch of nature instantly softens a modern kitchen. Place a potted herb plant, like basil or rosemary, on your countertop for both style and function. A single vase with fresh flowers or a tall stem of greenery can make a big impact. For a long-lasting option, consider a beautiful, low-maintenance succulent arrangement or even a vertical herb wall. In a minimalist kitchen, even your functional items can double as decor. Display a set of high-quality knives on a magnetic strip. Store spices in matching glass jars on an open shelf. Choose beautiful dishware and glassware that you're proud to display behind clear cabinet doors or on floating shelves. Start by removing anything that doesn't serve a daily purpose from your countertops. Keep only the essentials within reach, like a coffee maker, a fruit bowl, and maybe one or two decorative pieces. Store small appliances you don't use every day, like mixers or blenders, in cabinets or drawers to free up space. One of the biggest misconceptions about minimalism is that it has to look the same for everyone. That's simply not true. Minimalism is a mindset, not a rigid aesthetic. It's about creating a space that feels calm and intentional to you. Minimalist doesn't have to mean white and gray. If you love earthy tones, bring them into your cabinets or backsplash. If you're drawn to bold colors, try a muted navy or forest green as an accent. Keep the overall palette simple, 2 or 3 main colors, but don't be afraid to let your favorite hues come through. Invest in beautiful countertops, whether that's sleek quartz, warm butcher block, or elegant marble. Mix textures, matte finishes with glossy tiles, wood accents with stainless steel, for depth and character. And there you have it, your guide to creating a smart, functional, and stylish minimalist kitchen in 2025. We covered how to style with minimalist decor elements, how to keep your kitchen clean and clutter-free, and most importantly, how to stay true to your unique style. I hope you're feeling inspired to give your kitchen a makeover that not only looks amazing, but also makes your life easier and more enjoyable every single day. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps more people discover the channel. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our weekly home design inspiration and tips. Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to chat with you there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy decorating.